Hola and welcome to Adventures with the Mullies. My name's Tommy and we're here at the Riu Paraiso in Puerto del Carmen, Lanzarote, which is one of the Canary Islands. The hotel is absolutely brilliant, great food, great facilities as well. With it being a 4-star as well, it actually exceeded my expectations. So today we're going to show you the 1-bedroom family room, which is in sort of like a little village style. So one up, one down kind of thing. So yeah, let's have a look around the room now.
So as we approached the room, we was the top floor. It's a great property. I really like the way that was in the village area rather than the main hotel. It had great views, nice big balcony. This is the actual entrance to your room as well, and it was just a great place to chill. We even had a couple of doves that we named Beatrice and Bill that came to see us every single day for a little bit of a feed. When you walk into the actual room, it's nice and spacious. This is the living area, and you've got your tea, coffee making facilities. They're replenished, and if you want any more, you can always get them from the canteen area. Got a fridge as well. We stocked that up with plenty of copper bags from the supermarket just down the street towards Puerto del Carmen. The room is great, but the only thing that I thought it was missing was some air conditioning in the living area. It has got your sofa area as well that pulls out into a bed, so it sleeps another 2 people comfortably, so it sleeps up to 4 in here. Plenty of storage in the drawers as well, comes in handy for all like your little bits and bobs like your tablets and everything. It's got a wardrobe just next to the bathroom area. There's also one in the bedroom as well, which is really good, especially when you're sleeping up to 4 people in this 1-bedroom family room. This is the bathroom then, single sink, so again, it's not massive, but it does the trick and everything, so probably one of you can get ready while one of you are watching a bit of TV in the living area. It's got a hairdryer which was actually quite decent, and here's your walk-in shower. You've got your shower head in there, which was actually really powerful and really good. It was quite a squeeze to get in sometimes with putting the door behind you, but you get over it, you get refreshed. And obviously you've got your loo that's tucked away in the corner. Now we're going to head off into the bedroom then. The bedroom was perfect. We spent a lot of our time here after watching the stars twinkle. The beds can be separated, and what I found really handy as well is that the air conditioning unit was above the bed, and we love that because it keeps us nice and cool. There's a TV on the wall, luggage rack is down below, and obviously the TV being on the wall, we was catching up on some TV, and now and again there may be Star Wars on there, so there's people a bit geekatarian like ourselves. Here is the bed, nice and comfortable. You've got your runner, extra cushions and everything. Your phone's there if you need reception or need anything, but I do recommend that you download the Riu app. There's the wardrobe then. Like I said, that's the second wardrobe, so like I said, there's plenty of space to store everything, and that most important thing is the safe to put all your valuables. Nice big place to chill out on the balcony, and Joe is going to give you a thumbs up.
So thank you for watching Adventures with the Mullies. My name's Tommy, but for now, adios.